Get ready to be captivated. Dive into the world of foldable technology as we unveil the revolutionary design of Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. Prepare to be amazed. Join us as we unfold the future with Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. Discover how IronFlex technology is set to revolutionize the world of smartphones. Don't miss out on this exciting journey into the future of technology. Samsung is once again pushing the boundaries of innovation with its upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. These devices are set to feature a revolutionary display technology known as IronFlex, which could potentially transform the design of foldable phones. Foldable phones have been hailed as the future of smartphones, but they have their share of challenges. The most significant concern for many users is the durability of the folding screen. Samsung seems to be addressing this issue head-on with the introduction of IronFlex. Recently, Samsung Display applied for trademark protection for the term IronFlex with the Korean Intellectual Property Office. This move indicates that Samsung's next foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, could feature more robust internal displays. The documentation submitted by Samsung details a foldable OLED display panel that can be used with foldable smartphones, tablet PCs, and wearable video display monitors, among other devices. This suggests that IronFlex could be a game changer not only for Samsung's foldable phones, but also for a range of other product categories. Samsung's journey with foldable panels hasn't been smooth sailing. When the company introduced the initial Galaxy Fold 5 years ago, several review units' foldable displays broke due to confusion about the included screen protector. However, with the advent of IronFlex, Samsung appears to be poised to overcome past hurdles. Given the timing of the trademark registration, it's highly likely that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 will be the first products to feature the IronFlex technology. This could mark a significant step forward in the evolution of foldable devices, making them more durable and user-friendly. Stay tuned as we continue to follow Samsung's exciting journey in the realm of foldable technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech trends. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, click on the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload from us. Remember, your support helps us create more content for you. Until next time, take care and we'll see you in the next video.